I hope you all are doing well, and if it's your first time here, welcome. I make regular videos on beauty, fashion and lifestyle. So from the title you already know that today I'm going to talk about one of the newest launches of Cuffs and Lashes, and it's her eyeshadow palette. This is the That's So Me eyeshadow palette, which was launched by Cuffs and Lashes, worn by nidhikatiyareyeshadowpalette, and I just absolutely adore her. She's one of my favorite YouTubers, so the moment it was launched, I immediately ordered it and I got it around 4 to 5 days back, and I have been constantly trying it so that I can share my thoughts about this particular product. So I have gained quite a lot of thoughts about this beautiful, gorgeous palette. I was really excited, guys, because it's a great, colorful rainbow eyeshadow palette. At the same time, it's really affordable and you are getting 32 pressed eyeshadows. So I thought that it would be a really good option for you to try, so I need to just buy it, and I'm going to talk about everything that I know about this palette, share my thoughts, whether you're gonna like it or not, whether this is going to worth the buy or not. At the same time, I'm going to show you the tutorial of this eye look which I am wearing today. It's a very colorful green eyeshadow look with hints of purple, paired up really well with glossy lips, and I have created this look using this baby. So I hope you're gonna like it, but before going to that, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit on the notification bell next to the red subscribe button so that you may get updates whenever I upload a new video. So without any more further ado, let's get started. So guys, this is the That's So Me eyeshadow palette which was launched by Cuffs and Lashes, and Cuffs and Lashes is a complete Indian brand, so this is a complete made in India product, and you can definitely support local business if you want to try out this product. This particular product is completely free from any sort of parabens, silicones or harsh chemicals which are going to cause harm to your skin, so it's very much safe to use on skin. At the same time, this particular product is priced at rupees 1799. I know it's quite expensive, but they are now offering great discount on this particular eyeshadow. You can buy this eyeshadow for rupees 999 only, which is, I think, a great discount that Cuffs and Lashes has provided, and I'm really happy because you are getting 32 pressed eyeshadow in this particular palette, guys. This is how it looks like. You are getting such great shades in a single palette, for which I think rupees 999 is a really great pricing for this particular palette. So now coming to the availability of this particular product, this eyeshadow palette is available on the official website of Cuffs and Lashes. You can also buy it from Amazon and Flipkart, but I would say try to get it from Cuffs and Lashes because from there you will be getting it at the discounted prices of rupees 999. I don't think that Amazon or Flipkart are providing discounted prices, so try to get it from their official website, and in this way you can save a lot of money. I'm going to put the link of this product in the description box, so make sure that you check that out. So now coming to the packaging of this gorgeous palette, this is how That's So Me eyeshadow palette looks like. Gorgeous, stunning packaging, such a gorgeous fluorescent green color, and you can see the metallic sheen on it. The moment I saw it, guys, I fell in love with this product, and That's So Me written on it in a very nice font, which makes it look even more prettier. And this is not a cardboard packaging, it's made up of compressed wood, for which I'm giving Cuffs and Lashes a big thumbs up because it's such a sustainable packaging, really good for our environment. And it's like a book which you need to open it like this. When you open it, these are all the 32 color pressed eyeshadows which you are going to get in this palette, and as you can see, all the shades are color coordinated, and this is a magnetic packaging which need to shut like this, so it's a very secure. You can definitely carry it, and it looks like a book. Looks really gorgeous, guys. And I have forgotten to mention that this particular eyeshadow comes in outer plastic box like this, which you can keep or even you can throw away, but from the packaging I would say that it's a great packaging which you guys will definitely going to love. So guys, as I have mentioned, absolutely love this packaging, and it's like a book, and when you open it, you're getting all these beautiful, gorgeous eyeshadows. So it's basically a rainbow eyeshadow palette in which you are getting 32 color pressed eyeshadow. So these are basically pressed pigments which are super saturated in pigments, and all the shades are color coordinated. As you can see, you are getting different shades of oranges, from light orange to deep orange. You are getting different shades of red, green, teal, blue, pink, purple, brown and black. I'm really happy that she has also added a black in this gorgeous palette, because I think black is the most important and the most necessary eyeshadow that you need in a palette. And you're also getting different shades of brown. I think this is an eyeshadow palette which has got almost every shade you need, and these shades are definitely going to help you in creating a lot of eyeshadow looks, guys. You're getting different shades of green, blue, with which you can create a really gorgeous colorful eye looks. At the same time, you are getting different shades of brown and black, with which you can create everyday eye look as well. So coming to the actual shades, guys, I would say that the shades are the mixture of matte finish, satiny finish, as well as shimmery finish. Most of these are in matte texture, which I really like. I really love matte eyeshadows. At the same time, the shimmery shades are really easy to work with. I really love the shades Rangeli, Nasty and Spicy, which are more like a bronzy tone shades. Works really well as your lead color. The Spicy shade is a really gorgeous shade which will be pairing up really well with your Indian wear, and absolutely love this shade called Calm. Very much similar to Navigator of K-Beauty's eyeshadow stick, and I think the shades are selected very thoughtfully. But the only thing which I would say is missing in this eyeshadow palette is a highlighter shade, which is basically a champagne-y shimmery shade. I just want to have this eyeshadow palette have a champagne-y shimmery shade, with which I can definitely highlight my brow bone and put it in the inner corner of my eyes. It does have this shade called Bling, which is basically a bone color, very good for highlighting your brow bone on an everyday basis. If you are creating very nice matte brown eyes or more like everyday neutral eye looks, it's good for that. But I wish that this palette have a really great champagne-y shimmery shade, because this is an eyeshadow palette which you can use in a multiple ways. You can use these shades as eyeshadows, or even you can use this cool tone brown shade for contouring your face, as well as I have used these two shades as a blush on my face today. I wish that this particular palette has a great highlighting shade so that I can even highlight my face with it, and then you are sorted. So you can use it in a multiple ways, guys. This is not only an eyeshadow palette, you are getting a lot of colors, so you can definitely use it. So guys, I have talked about the shades of this gorgeous beautiful palette. At the same time, I'm really excited to show you how this shades actually work on my eyelids. So now I'm going to show you the tutorial of this eye look which I have created, and I have used a lot of shades for creating this eye look. You can see it's a gorgeous green eye look with hints of purple in it, and also I have used a brown shade as my contour and two of the shades as my blush. So I'm going to show you the tutorial of everything which I have done today using this palette, and you will be able to make out how these have worked, whether these are patchy or having a lot of fallouts or anything like that, because I'm really excited to show you. So now you can move on to the tutorial. At the same time, I'm going to show you the hand swatches of this particular palette. So now you can move on to the tutorial as well as the hand swatches of this gorgeous That's So Me eyeshadow palette. out these eyeshadows on my eyelids. At the same time, really enjoyed the eye look which I have created for you, as well as the hand swatches, because I have put a lot of efforts in doing that. So from the pigmentation, you can make out that these eyeshadows are really pigmented. You will be definitely happy with the pigmentation, but these are not overly or crazily pigmented like my Juvia's Place Masquerade palette. It's not like that, but it has got enough pigmentation, guys. You will be definitely loving the pigmentation. It will be just providing you enough coverage and to cover your eyelid, to make your eyeshadows look really pop. I really love the pigmentation because from an Indian brand, this is the highest that we can expect, because the shades are really easy to work with. I have found that the shimmery shades are a lot more pigmented than the matte ones, because one swipe of the shimmery shade has given me such intense pigmentation than one swipe of a matte pigment. I really like the pigmentation of this, and these are having a really nice texture as well. As I have mentioned, each of the shades are really soft. These are not at all patchy, or you don't have to just scratch it to make the pigments out from the palette. In some eyeshadows which I have used, I have found that I need to scratch it so that the pigments lying underneath can come on the surface and I can work with it. With this palette, you don't have to do that. The only thing which I have faced is that you will face a little bit of fallouts with the darker matte shades, and not with the shimmery shades, but the darker teal, the dark blue, the dark purple, all these darker shades. You will be facing a little bit of fallouts, but not crazy fallouts. You can definitely work with it, guys. I can work with any type of eyeshadows. It doesn't bother me, and I'm really happy with everything that this eyeshadow has. So coming to the longevity, guys, I would definitely say that these are really long lasting eyeshadows, because today I'm filming since morning and it's been, I think, over 7+ hours, and you can see my makeup is intact. The eyeshadow is going really strong. It didn't get into my crease as well. It's not flaking off, and you can see it's just intact. I would say it's definitely a long-lasting eyeshadow palette which you can definitely wear for any sort of party makeup look or wedding looks, or for a bride. I would say that this is a great eyeshadow palette which you can try. You are getting so many shades, guys. You can mix and match with your outfit and wear it. So this is a must-buy eyeshadow palette if you are a bride. If you want to get an affordable one, you can definitely try it. So here comes the end of the video, guys. This is my take on the That's So Me eyeshadow palette by Cuffs and Lashes. This is by no means a sponsored video. I have paid for this and I am really happy that I got it, and it's a great option for everyone, because I'm really happy that Cuffs and Lashes, being an Indian brand, bringing such great eyeshadows in the Indian market, which is catering to all skin tones and catering to everyone's budget. So if you want to try a really nice eyeshadow palette, you don't have to pay for around 4,000, 5,000 rupees. You can pay around 1,000 rupees and get this palette, guys. It's a great option which you can try. A great affordable option like this one is really needed for us. So really love the color scheme, everything how it worked. I don't mind the fallouts. I don't mind that, because I can work with any type of eyeshadows. You can definitely try it, because you can create everyday looks, party looks, colorful looks, anything with this palette, guys. I have shared my honest thoughts about it, and I hope that this video has helped you a lot. And if it did, you can hit on the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Make sure you subscribe, because that will mean a world to me. I'm going to put the link of this product in the description box, so if you want, you can definitely buy it. We'll see you soon in my next video, guys. Until then, take care of yourself, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye, guys.